What is going on, guys? West Virginia Bassmaster here, and today it's Friday, or not Friday, Thursday, October 12th. We leave tomorrow for Lake Erie. I'll be there for a couple days fishing. We're not sure what we're fishing for yet, but right now I'm just working on getting some tackle packed and get some rods and reels packed. I'm not sure what we're all going to take yet. Obviously need that, but you know, crankbaits and spooks, we're going to take those. Those go. We need our terminal tackle. We need our spinner baits and jigs. We need them. And we need our all of our soft plastics, which our soft plastics are here. Got all kinds of them in this bag. Got these. These need to go. If I can get this thing shut. There we go. Those go. We also need to pick some stuff out of this finesse box for drop shotting. Other than that, we got the rods packed. We're going on a head boat Saturday morning and Sunday morning, which is September 14th and 15th. We're going on a head boat for them, and then I'm going to be doing some bank fishing in the evenings. So hopefully catch something. What do you say? What do you say? Say we're going to catch something? What do you think we're going to catch something? Think we're going to catch something? I think we are. Well, I'll pick up the vlog when we're on our way to Lake Erie, guys. We're here. We're ready for the day of fishing. We're going to have to perch. That's about the only thing that's biting this time of year. Having a smallmouth, which we'll hopefully get into this evening. But here, I'll load on to the boat. Catch you on the water. Our side of the boat is finally on the board. On the bottom?
No, he's on bottom bounce.
Ew, he ate something. Ow. What is that thing? That's his air bladder, swim bladder. It popped out.
Yeah, check him in there. The other cooler.
Which one?
It's right there on the box.
Oh.
Not feeling him tugging and pulling unless he just gave up. I got one, I got somebody else's. So.
You got one? Little guy. Oh, you get the camera.
Monster.
The camera.
Okay.
Yeah, he's on there. I feel like a real monster, but fish is a fish right now.
Pinging. He's a pinging. Oh, he's a fighter. Got jaws. Oh, now he's really starting to fight. He must have seen the boat.
That's a nice one. Well, not really.
The better one.
No?
Good jump.
See, I thought I seen my line bouncing up and
That's
down.
what they're calling for tomorrow, 4 to 7.
Yeah, it ain't gonna be worth a shit tomorrow. Late afternoon. Uh-oh.
Nice.
What?
Got him one. Unless he's faking it.
Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Raise it up right now. He'll come right to you. 12 o'clock.
And you already got done last time?
Yep.
I've doubled.
It's you.
Hurry up before my bird.
I feel like I'm fishing. Reel it in.
Yep.
There you go. I knew one of them had a fish. I felt it. Good deal.
That's a nice one there. Holy shit, clear down those gizzard.
Not gonna get the live action. Feels a little better than the last one.
Hey, fish.
They're just barely bumping it. I don't know what's up with that.
Grandpa got another one. How's he catching it or not? That's the thing.
I don't know. It's just the way we're set. No, they're just bumping.
doubled it. Doubled it.
What the hell?
He doubled it. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh.
Oh, it doesn't count. Let's get in the boat. Your rule.
You got about 6 to 8 feet. Just raise your rod and pull the block and then you can bring
You got a hook like that. Take the front flip and don't have to go with it.
What is it?
I said you got a hook 'em like you do. Pull the head, the front flip, and the gill with it.
Oh, no, no. That's a knife. Oh.
Ah, it's a sheephead. Is that white perch?
Does this keep?
Yeah.
That's a white bass, isn't it? It's a white bass.
It's a white bass. They're not even good to eat.
Hey, keep. Yeah. Hey,
Yeah, he said keep it.
keep. Who?
The guy down there said they're good to eat.
Hey, can you take my picture? Hey, it's my first one.
That's baby yellow. That's bigger.
You're gonna hold him right next to the water.
Huh?
If anybody catches white perch, people.
Is that what that is?
What is this?
That's white perch.
Alright, I thought it was a white bass. Did you get it?
Yeah, it's put the phone on.
You gonna throw him back?
No, I was gonna keep him.
That might have been get a little set the hook, so
I'd have my doubts.
Yep.
Yep, he's on there.
he's officially running away with the lead.
Yeah, you can see it right there, right against my finger.
Yeah. Sure the pole goes off and I grab it.
No, you don't. Give me a mini. There he is. Yeah. We're off the water, and that's today's catch. For a nice one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 yellow perch and 1 white perch. Get these cut up and it's good to eat. And catch you later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you have not.